Hello everyone, I'm Laura from Singling Secondary School, and today I will be sharing with you about my journey with EduEdge. I am actually a transferred student from China and only had a basic knowledge of English. Therefore, I was struggling in my secondary school years, especially in my Sec 1s. I was being picked up by the teachers day by day, and I was called to stay back for extra lessons. Back in China, everything was taught in Chinese, therefore my first language was Chinese. So my parents and I were very worried for my N-level results, as they are afraid that I will fail my N-levels and I'll have to retain. As I'm in normal academic, my goal was to enter Poly Foundation program, as it is an easier alternative to enter Poly, but the minimum criteria for English was B3. And it was really hard for me as I was just passing English. My parents were really supportive, and the EduEdge teacher really gave me lots of help, especially Mr. Ching, Miss Yu, and all the other teachers. They gave me extra information on how to write my essay, and I especially like the method sphere, as it allows me to write down my thoughts clearly on paper. My parents and I were very surprised when I received back my N-level result from a C5 during my prelims to an A2 during my N-level. Was really a dream come true, and hard work paid off. Here's a quote for the EduEdge juniors. It is how eager you want to succeed and how hungry you want that determines the result. With the right attitude and right mindset, you will definitely achieve what you want. I believe if I can do it, you can do it too, as I have lesser English knowledge than you, and I hope that you don't give up just because of your school results. It is definitely possible to achieve what you want. I actually aimed a B3 for my national exam, but in the end it turns out to be A2, and it was really surprising, and I'm really very happy for myself.